Okay guys, we have a good one here. It's an '06 Mini Cooper with a complaint of no starting. I already checked all the fuses, they're good. I found some water on that side where the body control module goes, but no damage on the wiring. It cranks, but there's no spark. I checked continuity on the wires that go to the coil, and there is continuity. This right here. I get power on my red wire, but it's not flickering to produce the spark. Now I watched some YouTube videos how to check the cam sensor, check the connection, and then the crank, and I am getting my 5 volts. Okay, after checking everything, fuses, relays, wiring, power to the computer, ground to the computer, I wasn't getting any spark from the coils, but let me tell you what was wrong with it, because this thing is now fixed. Okay, all it needed was the what do you call, the EWS or the immobilizer to be readjust. So if you already check crank sensor signal, cam sensor signal, compression, check fuses, check relays, everything, then if you have no spark and no injection pulse, then that's gotta be it. I didn't record the immobilizer adjustment because someone came and did it for me. I don't have the tools to do that. But yeah, there you have it.